Hold on to your hats for a little shaky camera action, but it's better than being lectury and stiff, which I did the first 18 times I did this video. I can paint you the skin of Venus with mud, provided you let me surround it as I will. This is a quote from the French painter Eugene Delacroix, who was in the 19th century. It refers to this great phenomenon that when you put one color down and put it next to another color, they both change according to what the other color is. And it goes back to the last time I talked about painting a sky, and it was a description of painting the sky a blue. And of course, this color of the sky changes. And in addition, you can paint it whatever you want. There's no one way. The thing I try to do is look at, as much as possible, at so many painters and look at different techniques, styles, variations, so that as much as possible, they're there at the ready when I want them to be. It's an imperfect science. It's, I guess, why they call it art. Here's a sky from Kansas that was altered a lot. That was back in 2007. Here's a straight ahead blue sky. I want to go to the work of an artist, Erik Sandgren, and he lives out in Portland and lives by this idea of color changing. And more than that, he does something with the sky. Almost every time he paints, he goes for what he calls equivalence rather than literalness. And it's something I do, but he takes it to a much further degree. And I'm going to read from something he said, just straight quote, so you can hear his words. I strongly believe the sky must be activated to participate with the rest of the painting. Color plays a big role in that, as does directionality, brushstroke, and resonant shaping. It's clearly seen here in this painting he did called Spirit Figures. Just love that. So back to his words. Changing as it does from day to night with the weather, season, clouds, etc. No one has not seen the sky to be green, violet, orange, blue, black, yellow, brown, white, gray, red. That broad truth frees up the painter to take liberties in the surface of bigger truth. When you hit the values right, you have earned your freedom with hue. To me, even the bluest, purely empty sky is a shimmering amalgam of sensation. I take the path of equivalence rather than literalness, even as I try very hard to observe accurately and respond to the particular gradations I see in the plein air moment. I'm just going to take a look at a couple of his images right here. I highly recommend going to his website, Erik Sandgren. Here is the address for Erik's website. To make the connection between Delacroix and the rest of this, changing the sky color even subtly changes the way the rest of the colors in the painting look and the effect and the expressive effect of that. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.